Check out this very nice 2016 KTM Duke 390. This is KTM's entry-level sport standard motorcycle. Has the 390cc single-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has only 3,485 miles on the odometer. Bike is in great condition, very clean. ABS brakes, upgraded sliders, frame sliders, axle sliders, engine guards, new tires front and rear. The 390cc single-cylinder engine runs good, great around town, a lot of fun in the back mountain roads, great to learn how to ride on, lightweight, has the upgraded adjustable levers. This bike is priced at only $38.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.